I just have to say this, guys. Be careful out there.
So Kiki, tell me now, what does it take to date you? Like yeah, like what does it take?
To date me? Yeah. Okay, from my point of view, I don't want loyalty, trust, in respect. I don't lie. Other than that, if you're not gonna be loyal to me, I don't lie, Master. You are going to really die. Like honestly speaking, I'm gonna kill you.
Hey,
And I'm not gonna play. I'm gonna go in fucking. I have a gun, baby.
hey.
You know me. I'm gonna shoot you, and not miss. Straight here. Oh yeah, by the brain, so you can come right. And I'm gonna go. Whoever's gonna body, I'm telling you, even a girl for you. I'm gonna come here. What is the deal, me? Yeah, from my castle, I'm coming here to you to come and donor you and it all together. Nee, even if you are Mr. Kwababa, I know you're with a lot of girls, but still discipline, because Nina, I'm gonna move you.
So
Hey, danger. Be careful out there. I'm telling you.